Hi all, so what is this? You can guess yourself. Cable tracker, exactly like it sounds. By the way, it came non-working and I had to disassemble it and fix it, and the problem was soldering in the transmitting device here. But anyway, I fixed it, so it doesn't matter. I even didn't leave negative feedback to the seller because I was able to fix it. So never mind. Okay, so it goes like this, very simple. This is the transmitter and this is the receiver. You have RJ connector. I don't remember which RJ. It's not RJ. It's RJ not 45, not for Ethernet, for phone. I don't remember the number, but anyway, you can use these crocodiles in order to transmit, and you just make it work, and then you press and you hear this nice sound. What it is good for wiring in your house. So if you have many wires and you're not sure what is going to which room, so you should have something like this. By the way, it's very cheap. Less than $10 or about $10, and you have this unit with this nice box and the data sheet, and it go like this. You can connect just the red to your wire, and then when you are close to the wire, if you are far from it, you will not hear the ring. And if you're on the wire, you will immediately recognize it. And now you have also the volume button here. What you do is just press the test and set the volume, and that's all. Use a 2.9-volt battery. By the way, here was also broke because the speaker was with hot glue, and the hot glue was still down, and the speaker was making noise when moving it, rotating it. So I also fixed this one with a new hot glue, and very nice. And I will leave a link to this gadget. Thank you, bye.